been waiting for you. Good luck.
What's up, guys? It's Hombre Rico back yet again, and look at where we are. We are now in campus, I believe. I'm not sure which. I know the university's name, you know, but yeah, we're making our way to Mount Royal to go see like a view of the whole entire Montreal. Check it out, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to follow me on social media: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. This place is called McGill University, you know, student campus. Yeah, you know, but we gotta head up there. Gotta head up. Oh. Here's up the stairs. We're going right to the top, man. I want to see this, you know. I'm going back to Mexico. I have to see this part of Montreal, baby. We're still trying to make our way to the top, you know. I feel the ones more closer to downtown at Bonaventure, that station, you know, it's way, look at this. Whew. So yeah, still making our way to the top. Hopefully I don't get there. Hopefully I get there. Did I say I don't get there? Hopefully I get there. Hopefully I can get there with my Ray-Ban sunglasses. And yeah, let's check this part out. Alright, so seeing as I've been doing a lot of this, you know, I've been giving my tips and motivational, you know, pointers to go about your day. And it's funny, I saw this with a homeless man, you know, when I was coming. He said, smile, it's Friday. You know, some people don't understand the power and the effectiveness of just having one of these on your face, you know. And I'm not being like demeaning like the Joker or I'm a psychopath. I'm just saying, like, it can really help your attitude and solving, you know, like when you have to like problem solving, is if you can just stay optimistic even through the dire situation. You know, I'm gonna sit down for this. Whew. Even through like the most dire situations where you feel like it's bleak and you feel like, oh, there's no way I'm gonna get out of this one, just being optimistic and just being like, look, you know, I don't have a deadly disease, I still have my limbs on me, I'm able to breathe fresh air, you know, there is still a way you can turn this negative into a positive, you know what I mean? And I stress that because, like, I ain't even gonna lie, you know, as much, if you check my New York vlogs, you know, as much as I did love being in New York, it was a struggle, you know. When I first came in, I was stuck in like a ghetto, you know, and it's like I had to move on the other side of town, so from New Jersey all the way to the South Bronx, and I had to take a train to get back. I had to get an express train to get to the airport, you know. So it was tough, you know, and I was so used to spending pesos and then going back to spending like US dollars. It was tough, but I still kept my mind and focus, and I like, it ain't gonna bring me down, you know. So I'm just saying, like, you know, because if you tell me your stories, like, you know, this is preventing me from doing this, you know, honestly, save it, you know what I mean? I've been through a lot of deep shit, you know, and believe me, just keeping like smile, one of these on your face can really change. All right, so folks, I'm gonna try head up there, you know. This is still the McGill University. I think if I get up there I can get more closer to the mountains. So once the traffic is less busy, I'm gonna try cross, you know. So let's do this. Let's do this. Whoa. Hill is 1821 to 2021. Interesting. That's about how old I am. Oh, stop me, Tracy. You're so hilarious. Am I? Oh my God. Let me ask you. I'm gonna ask the guy in security. Just found information that Montreal is that way. You know, so we gotta go to P4, as he said, and we gotta take it all the way to the top. You know, so it's like I'm gonna be knocking on heaven's door. That's a cowboy reference, cowboy bebop reference, I should say. Definitely check that show out. Muy bien. One of the best anime shows of all time. You know, so definitely check that out. But yeah. We're gonna be making our way to P4, and we are gonna be knocking on heaven, or knocking on Montreal's door. Get it? You can see here it says P4, but as for my compadres, it's not this one, it's the next one. Montreal. Guess this is it.
I'm Martin, are about
English. Did you hear them? Ooh. I'm so glad I'm out of UK, man. Ooh. Let's go higher. My leg's already done, but we're gonna get to the top all the way. French people can be so nice. We're gonna go all the way to the top, baby. All the way. This is a metaphor to how I'm skyrocketing to the moon. You feel that? Yes. Oh man, how much longer? How much longer? How much longer? Hey, that's good. Alright, I think I see the top. Almost at the top. I'm almost gonna make it. Just need to keep on going. Right there. Whew.
I've never actually been there at the Barcelona.
Oh man, you know, getting down from here is gonna be a trip. For real. Oh. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna the sea right there. I'm gonna get some agua. I think we're about to knock on heaven's door. Keep going. Keep going. Montreal? Right? Okay, cool. Mountain Royal, as you should say. Bonjour. Hey bro, we're actually here. Do you believe it? You can see where the couple is. We're about to get to the top. Pretty good. That's not the light to get to heaven, no. That means we're right at the top. See the sun sparkling. Not too far now. Whoa, look at that view. God damn. Let's see if we can get a clearer view from the top.
Oh no, yeah, we take.
Some people have ventured this like journey forever, and I made it. So we're gonna get some good pictures over there. Yeah? Wow, so I've reached the top of the summit and Sentier Escarpment. You got the two Canadian flag one, the other flag I'm not sure. We made it to the top. Oh my god. Look at that. Let's get some pictures over there for sure. Yo, so we arrived at the top of the summit and this is the view, folks. Try to get some pictures over here. So yeah, man, top of the world. That's the whole Montreal. Yeah.
Non mais tu fais pas ça, arrête, c'est pas tout. Ne viens pas quoi sur notre là-bas. Regarde là. S'il te plaît. Non mais c'est pas pour la photo, c'est parce que j'ai peur. On y va?
Changer to the turns. Yeah, I get that, but it's alright. But I think we're not in a rush.
You can even see like the mountains like on that side, you know.
We saw it close. Sky we had to like remove. All the time. Awesome, thank you.
So yeah, we made it to the top, you know, like I'm positively sweating, a lot of water I had to take before I got to the top, but yes, we made it. And just once again, the view is right here, you know, so you can see the bridge on that side, just behind. just like a bit further in there, that's like downtown, so that's where like the Eaton Center and, you know, the main, you know, touristic attractions. You know, you got like the big like river, which I guess where the Ferris wheel and the port was, the port, you know, and that's like Port de Montreal, I believe it's on this area, you know, and you got like the Santana Village. So it's amazing, you know, like because, you know, I remember going to CN Tower, you know, and seeing like the pretty much all Toronto is the same. So it's amazing. Folks, we got the pictures, we got the videos, you know, we got me two amigos, you know, help me film as well. And yeah, man, I'm gonna make my way back because I got a lot of unfinished business to attend to, you know, so be sure to check that out. Yeah, man, like I'm just trying to get out here before it gets a bit cold, you know, a bit cold, like mucho frio, oh my Espanol, man, oh, I've forgotten so much to come here, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna make my way back because I remember last time I was out like by 5, it started to get like, yeah, frio, you know, so definitely, man, enjoy the view one last time. Nathan. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Merci. Au revoir. Just had to thank those ladies taking a photo, you know. So yeah, gonna head back. We got like what we need and got a lot of work to do, you know. So yeah, now this is gonna be the difficult task, you know, getting back down from the oh my god, we got a long way. So hopefully it's a lot easier getting down. I mean, it should be, you know, gravity says that, but yeah, you know, let's make our way back down. Yeah, it feels a lot easier. Let's go. Oh, yeah, it is much easier coming down, you know, but yeah, I'm gonna head all the way down, you know, and you know I can't record in the Eaton Center, you know, them securities are like piranhas, they don't want you to record nada, you know, so yeah, gonna make our way back through the center, possibly take the metro from there, you know, see what the prices are. It's so much easier going down. I mean, what? Made it down from the mountain Royal, you know, that was a great journey up, you know what I mean? It's funny with going all the way up, as I said, it's very like symbolic of how my life has always been. It's always like climbing the ladder to success, you know, and I made it, and I got that, I found that midget, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, now that we're done, you know, got a lot of footage, got a lot of stuff going, you know, I'm really enjoying my time in Montreal. And yeah, as I said, I'm gonna tomorrow I'm flying back out to Mexico City, and I'm gonna have a real decision, like if I'm